Designing my workspace wasn't an easy process, but to be honest, I really enjoyed it. Some of you might already know that I'm currently studying full-time and I am working part-time. So my budget is kind of limited. So for this project, because my budget was limited, I felt a little bit demotivated, but then I decided to see this as a challenge to use my creativity muscles and use things that I already have and, get creative. When I started to think about designing my workspace, I wanted it to be functional, comfortable, and I also wanted it to inspire me. My main motive for this setup was to keep it minimal and clean as possible. I started by painting my room when I first moved into this place last year. So I went ahead and started painting my room a dark blue color by Benjamin Moore. And for anyone who is interested, the color is a midnight blue on a matte finish. I chose matte finish because the light does not reflect on the walls, and that was exactly what I was looking for. Then slowly, piece by piece, starting to add my desk, some plants, some lights. Well, the plants part did not go so well. I put way too much water on my plant and it died, unfortunately. As you can see from the photos, I did not have a bed, and probably for a while I didn't want to have a bed in the same room I wanted to work from. Moving on to the main machine that powers everything, it is the base model M1 Mac Mini. The one I have so far has been working great. It is extremely fast and I can have multiple demanding apps open at the same time and still works great. The second machine that I have, as you can see, is the MacBook Pro. This is a refurbished model that I got back in 2017, and I use this mostly to take notes at school, write scripts, plan my days, write scripts for podcasts, and do some other light tasks. The Mac Mini is connected to a 28-inch 4K 60Hz gaming monitor by Samsung, and the monitor is mounted on a Vivo arm that I got from Amazon for about $30. The monitor itself, it's great. I have no complaints. One thing I noticed, however, is that the colors of the monitor shift a little bit towards yellow. You don't have a lot of flexibility when it comes to calibrating your monitor by the settings of the monitor. On the back side of the monitor, I've mounted my Google Home Mini with a Velcro tape, and I mostly use it to play music from Spotify, set alarm timers, and reminders when I'm at home. So for the keyboard of choice, I am using a Keychron Key 2V2, which has the blue switches, RGB lighting, and aluminum frame. The keyboard is an 84 key layout and has hot swappable switches. You can change the keys, the lighting effects, and the keys. It's a Bluetooth keyboard with a wired option. The keyboard comes in the box along with some Windows keys because you can use this keyboard for Windows as well. As you can expect from a mechanical keyboard, it is loud but very addictive. I love typing on this keyboard, and I can type for days if I could. For the mouse, now you might hate me for the mouse I chose, but I have no plans on upgrading yet. I'm using the Magic Mouse 2 from Apple. For me, the mouse after long hours of use becomes a little bit uncomfortable. It does not have an ergonomic design. However, I really like how it works, its features, and especially the scrolling feature. The desk mat I'm using, it's a cheap one I found on Amazon for about $20 to $25, and it is made out of vegan leather. The one I have, it's the navy blue, and I absolutely love it. It doesn't slip, the mouse works great on it, nothing else to say about it, it's great. Also on the desk mat, I keep a notepad and a pen in case I need to take any quick notes or to write down some ideas I might have. I also keep a bottle of water within arm's reach to stay hydrated, and that helps me stay productive. For the microphone, I'm using the Blue Yeti Pro, which I use to record my podcasts, my voiceovers. It is a USB microphone, probably the best USB microphone out there. And it has different presets for different types of recordings in different environments. I have also attached a pop filter on it. I keep the microphone plugged in most of the times, since this is what I use for Zoom calls if I ever need to talk. For the headphones of choice, I am using the AirPods Pro. This is the headphones I use the most when I just want to listen to music or watch any videos on YouTube or just watch a movie. But when I'm doing voiceovers or when I'm editing videos, I'm using the Audio-Technica M50X. I got them about 5 years ago and they still work great. I also have a bicolor floor lamp that I got from IKEA, which is controlled by a wireless controller that I keep usually on my desk. And I can control the brightness, turn it on and off, and I can also change the color temperature from my desk. And on the wall, I've kept a whiteboard which helps me just write down some ideas, just plan for videos, plan for podcasts, or write down some things that I have to do for the day. That's pretty much it. And this is the end of the video. I'll see you in the next video because I have to plan.